Hey everyone, welcome back to the Demodex Solution channel. I wanted to speak today about Demodex and your hairline. Ever wonder why your hairline keeps itching, flaking, or breaking out even after you shampoo? You try anti-dandruff washes and acne creams and nothing fixes it, and you're left scratching and confused? Tiny mites called Demodex actually live in your hair follicles. Almost everyone has them, usually harmless. But if they proliferate, you can get real symptoms. I know you're probably thinking, mites, seriously? Trust me, I get it. It feels embarrassing and weird to really even consider. You've got little bumps or flakes on your forehead, maybe pustule-like whiteheads, redness, or rough sandpapery patches, and it won't go away. You've been told it's just acne or dandruff, but these treatments aren't working. Your skin is sensitive and irritated, it hurts to keep scratching, and it feels gross. It's frustrating and confusing, and you're not alone in this struggle. So here's the science behind it. Demodex mites are microscopic arachnids living in your hair follicles. One of the species lives in your scalp. We usually don't even notice them until they multiply too much and cause a condition called demodicosis. That can show up as sudden itching, burning, and bumps that look like whiteheads, along with rough, scaly, patchy skin. Think of it as a folliculitis or rosacea-like reaction, except it's on your hairline and scalp. Marina explains that Demodex overgrowth often causes a sandpaper-like rash and irritation. In short, it means that if your hairline issues are not behaving like normal acne or dandruff, Demodex mites may be the hidden culprit. So what do? First, we should start with a gentle routine, washing your scalp and face with a mild non-soap cleanser and a gentle shampoo, avoiding greasy, heavy products that clog the pores. Try using a tea tree-based serum or shampoo that's diluted so it doesn't irritate your skin or dry it. And wash your pillowcases and sheets in hot water every few days. Mites can actually hop off of your scalp and into your bedding, and they can be contagious. So I would exfoliate softly once a week to clear that dead skin. But don't over-scrub or over-exfoliate. That can irritate your skin and actually make things worse. If home care remedies aren't enough, dermatologists have prescription treatments that you can look up. They're very common, like ivermectin cream, permethrin, sulfur shampoo is one of the natural alternatives. So almost everyone has Demodex. It just depends on the population size, and it needs the right treatment and personalization to calm down, especially a treatment that is based on the mite life cycle. If this sounds like what you're going through, hit follow for more myth-busting skin science and visit my website, thedemodexsolution.com.